Hi, I'm John Kane with Cook Martin Polson. Today we will discuss key aspects of the individual mandate portion of the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. Specifically, we will discuss who is subject to the mandate, what type or amount of coverage is required, and the tax consequences of not complying with the law. Effective January 1st, 2014, all applicable individuals will be required to maintain health coverage. Applicable individuals include all individuals unless one of the following exemptions apply. 1. Qualify for a religious exemption. 2. You're a member of a healthcare sharing ministry. 3. You're not a U.S. citizen, U.S. national, or resident alien. And 4. You are incarcerated without a pending disposition of charges. As you can see, most individuals will be required to enroll in a health insurance plan. Just enrolling in a health insurance plan, however, is not enough to comply with Obamacare and avoid paying any penalties. The individual plan that you enroll in must meet a standard, which is also referred to as minimum essential coverage. Minimum essential coverage is met with any of the following 5 plans. A government-sponsored health plan, such as Medicare or Medicaid, an employer-sponsored group health plan. These plans may be offered in either a large or small group market. A plan purchased through the individual marketplace, also referred to as the health exchange. A grandfathered health plan. And finally, a state risk pool plan recognized by the Secretary of Health and Human Services. The most common type of plan in this category is the CHIP program. Each health plan is required to fall into one of the following 4 categories: platinum, gold, silver, bronze. Each plan has a different cost-sharing relationship between the insured and the insurer. A bronze level plan, which qualifies as minimum essential coverage, has a 60-40 relationship between the insured and the insurer. In 2014, the penalty for not having minimum essential coverage is $95 per person up to a maximum of 3 times that amount, which would be $285, or 1% of household income, whichever is greater. In 2015, the penalty for not having minimum essential coverage is $325 per person up to a maximum of 3 times that amount, which would be $975, or 2% of household income, whichever is greater. In 2016, the penalty for not having minimum essential coverage is $695 per person up to a maximum of 3 times that amount, which would be $2,085, or 2.5% of household income, whichever is greater. In calculating potential penalties that you may be exposed to, it's important to note the following 3 items. 1. You're responsible for anyone that you claim on your tax return as a dependent to have minimum essential coverage. 2. The penalty is computed on a monthly basis. If, due to an employment change, you have coverage for only part of the year, your penalty will be prorated. And 3rd, children claimed on your tax return will count as half an individual for purposes of calculating the penalty. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us. We hope you've found this information to be valuable. For other Obamacare information, please view the other videos on our website or contact an accountant at Cook Martin Polson.